Welcome everybody. This is Pawan. In one of our recent videos, we showed how MeldRx can enable your apps to connect with one or multiple EHRs. We primarily focused on reading data from those EHRs. If the EHR supports writing data, MeldRx can basically do that too. But what do you do when an EHR doesn't enable writing data back, or your app needs a kind of data that is not even supported by the EHR? Today, I'm going to show you a feature of MeldRx where your app can create any kind of data and integrate it seamlessly with the EHR data for your users. Let's dive in. Let's say you're developing the next groundbreaking care management app designed to manage patient tasks using AI. You want to market the app to Epic users. You went to the Epic website. Unfortunately, Epic today does not support writing tasks directly from third-party apps. No worries. Let me show you how we can easily solve this with MeldRx. I will be using our sample EHR Plus app for this demonstration. I've already set up a workspace connected to Epic. If you want more information how to reach this step, please refer to our multi-EHR Connect video in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and select a patient so that we can actually work on that patient. Now with my app connected to Epic, we are viewing the data for a patient named Jason. This data is coming directly from Epic. Currently, there are no tasks assigned to Jason. I will go ahead and add a couple of tasks from our app. Now, I'm just adding these tasks manually here for the demo. This task could be generated by AI algorithms or any other ways through your app. We are only focusing on how the tasks are actually managed and stored and combined. As you can see, the tasks are now visible alongside the rest of Epic's data. It's also very clear here that these tasks are sourced from MeldRx, ensuring full provenance and accountability behind the scenes. This allows you and your app users to confidently act on this data. For another example, I'm going to just add an allergy to Jason's profile too. Again, you will see how allergies from both the EHR and MeldRx are shown in one place, but at the same time, you can clearly see where they are actually coming from. If you are interested in understanding the process behind the scenes, you can utilize our API Explorer to execute the same queries. The API Explorer simplifies the process of selecting the current patient as well as the resources. Once I initiate the query to retrieve the task for the selected patient, you will observe that we receive two FHIR bundles in return. One from Epic, one from the MeldRx. Each bundle contains its own set of entries, which can be merged according to your application needs. You do have the option to return them as a single bundle with all entries combined into one. This is just a setting on the workspace that you can easily change. You have complete control over which resources are read from the EHR versus MeldRx repository or from both. You have the same options for writing data too based on the EHR. This control is exercised through a configurable set of rules at the resource level, and we are developing even more refined controls for this functionality. One final note. There are various ways to access this data directly within the EHR too. We'll delve into some of those options in our forthcoming demos. So stay tuned. The opportunities are endless here. We are really eager to see what use cases would you develop with MeldRx. Thanks for watching. Cheers.